And we've got a 2020 Dodge Charger in, 6.4 Scat Pack, to do some testing on our Series 2 intake for the 2011 to 2020 Dodge 6.4 liter cars.
In an attempt to control all the variables in intake testing here, we're using HP tuners to log the vehicle. Only mods that we're aware of done to this vehicle is a muffler delete. It's still on the stock tune file. So we're going to use HP to monitor the coolant temps, the amount of timing the vehicle's giving, where the fuel is at, to ensure that our testing is fair, both with the stock airbox and the JLT installed. All right, we got our JLT swapped over. Got the car cooled down to where we need it. Getting ready to make some runs.
All right, let's go over what we did. We baselined the car twice to get an average. The car's pretty consistent. A lot of NA cars are consistent. Started off with coolant temps in the 180s, low 180, 426 horsepower, 441 torque, and 425 horsepower, 440 torque. So a good baseline. That's what this car makes. You can see the drop here. This is torque management. This is stuff that can be cleaned up with a tune, but we're just comparing against the JLT today, so go ahead and swap the JLT on there, and you can see we jump up to 334 horse and 447 torque. Go ahead and pull. We want to keep the best of the stock runs. We'll always compare against the best. That's the way you should do it. And you can see here we've got peak gains of 8. But down here as low as 3,000 RPM, you're looking at 5 horsepower and 8 foot-pounds of torque, and it just grows from there. Getting up towards 4,000, up into the 5,000 range, you're seeing upwards of 10, 11, 12 horsepower and foot-pounds of torque. So peak numbers are one thing, but it's all the power under the curve that you're going to feel.